I'm showing how the double-sided sticky tape goes onto these 3 spots on the board. You probably won't get used to it until about your 4th or 5th time doing it, but I'll try to show. These are the little pieces. The circle is the actual only part that is sticky. The tab is what helps release it. So when you take it off, that circle is where the sticky tape is. But the white part is actually not part of the sticky tape. It's a clear piece of circular sticky tape that is attached to this white tab. So what I'm going to do is put my finger on the very tip right here and try to pull it off. And you see that the little circular white tab has come off, and now I've got to put it on the board. So I've got to do that 2 more times and just close it.